have finished the flashings along our roof. Our roof's been finished off. You can see that we've cut our apron flashing in. We'll screw this down along here on each one of those upturns. Here we have our overlap. We'll pop rivet and silicone that in, pop rivet that down. We've slightly outturned this just so it sits nice and flat against the roof. We'll screw it into place, and Matt here has finished off this sheet, upturned it so water can get in and around. As you can see, there's our wall cavity, there's our upturn. This has all been siliconed off. We'll also have a parapet flashing that comes up and over and then down here, and we'll have another flashing that comes across here. There we go.